So this is the water that I got. Actually from this. Yeah. So I'm gonna give it to the birds again. For refreshing some water. Ugh. So here we go. I'm getting Oh oh no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh crap. I think I just lost someone. I think I just lost one. I think it's 7, I guess. I don't know. Close it. So this is why you should take care of your birds. And your cage should be must be closed forever. Or not they're actually gonna escape for it. Run for their lives. And this is the nest I got. It's actually a cat. A cat. This is actually for a cat, but my cat is actually gone. So God fucking damn. There you go. It's open. Now it's time to fill water. There we go. That's pretty cool. So apparently, actually, I just the cage is actually just very dirty. Later, when my father came out and he go home, and then yeah, he's gonna actually clean it for until yeah, why not? Bad at English, but what the hell? Wow, I'm actually good at English. Why am I very bad? Never mind. See you next soon.